Just be relaxed and be calm. Focus on your breath. Take deep and long inhale. Deep and long exhale. Deep and long inhale. And deep and long exhale. Once more. Deep and long inhale. And deep and long exhale. We go 3 times Om chanting. Everyone inhale. And now start. Inhale. Inhale. Rub your palm and make a heat. Place your palm on your eyes. Relax your eyes and relax your mind. Gently open eyes, look up at your palm. Smiling face and relax. Good. Place your palm on your knees, everyone. We start with the neck movement. Everyone inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down, chin to the neck. Inhale, look front. Exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, center. Exhale on the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale on the right side. Inhale, center. And exhale on the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your head, right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale on the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right side. Inhale center and exhale on the left side. Inhale center and exhale relax. Open arms your shoulder level. Inhale both arms up. Finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms and look up. Exhale. Bring your arms down, look down. Inhale both arms up. Finger lock, palm facing up. Stretch your arms and look up. Exhale, bring your arms down and look down. Both arms behind hip. Inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, drop your shoulder, look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on the knee and squeeze. Again, inhale, open shoulder. Exhale, drop shoulder, look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on the knee and squeeze. Finger lock from back side. Inhale, lift your arms. Exhale, drop shoulder and look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward. All the way go down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, drop shoulder and look up. Again. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward. All the way go down. Inhale, come back. And exhale, relax. Relax your shoulder. Move your shoulder. Good. Anti-clockwise, opposite rotation. Relax. Open arms your shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale. Drop your left elbow. Right arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back. Exhale, drop your right elbow. Left arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back. Exhale, again, drop your left elbow. Right arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back. Exhale, drop your right elbow, left arm straight over the head. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Left hand, right knee, right hand up. Inhale. Stretch your right arm. Exhale, bend on the left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Left hand up. Inhale. And exhale, bend on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Left hand, right knee, right hand up. Inhale. Axle bend on the left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. One more time. Left hand up, inhale, and exhale, bend on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, both hands behind of your hip. Inhale, open shoulder, lift your hip and push your hip front side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on the knee and squeeze. Again, open arms your shoulder level. Both arms up. Inhale. Exhale, bend on the left. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on the right. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend on the left. Inhale, come back. And exhale, bend on the right. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax your hands. Change your leg position. Put your hands behind hip. Inhale. Lift your spine. Exhale. Lift your hip and push your hip front side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on the knee and squeeze. Spine straight. Right hand on the left knee, left hand near hip. Inhale. Exhale, twist, look back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, come back. And exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Open arms your shoulder level. Exhale, turn on the left side. Drop your both hands down. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn again on the left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, bend forward. Stretch your arms, stretch your spine, and all the way go down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, please return, come back. Keep your both legs straight here. And relax your legs, move your legs. Move your knees. Legs closer. Toes facing point. Flex your feet. Toes facing point. Flex your feet. Rotation. Ankle rotation. Spine straight, thang lưng. Anti-clockwise, opposite. Okay, good. Bend your both legs, come in the butterfly first. Feet together. And swing your knees together. Couple of times. Place your palm on your knee. Push your knee down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Good. Bend your both legs again. Your right leg straight, left foot with your right inner thigh. So you all remember, right leg just a push back. Both hands up, inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Hold the right foot, flex your right foot and then bend down. Lengthen spine. Only 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, both arms up. And exhale, both arms behind your hip. Right toe facing point. And then lift your hip and little try to move on the left and drop your head a bit. 1, 2, breathing. 3, 4, 5, 6 and relax. Inhale, come back and exhale, bend forward again. Hold the right foot and flex your right foot. Good. Inhale, both arms up again. And when you exhale, left hand, tai chai, left hand behind your hip. Good. And now you have to just make a roll and lift your hip and drop the head and drop your right hand. Just stay. 1, opening shoulder. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, come back, slowly come back. Both arms up. Good. Exhale, again bend forward. Hold the right foot, flex your foot. Good. Inhale, both arms up. And bend your left leg. Bend the left leg. Now drop your right elbow on the left knee. Stay. Look at me. Look at me. This is the option 1. Option 2. Option 3 you can be used. No? But every option, your spine should be straight. Then try. Bing thuang. Then hold left big toe. Hold the leg. 1, 2, 3. Shoulder relax. 4. Breathing. 5, 6. Relax. Bend your left leg. Left leg on the right upper thigh. Both arms up. Inhale. Exhale. Bend forward. Hold the right foot. Flex your foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, both arms up. Exhale, put your arms behind your hip. Right toe facing point. Same. Inhale, lift your hip and then just try to drop your head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back, push your hip down, finger lock and bend forward all the way down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Cross your right leg with your left leg. Yeah. So now same. Option 1, drop right elbow. Option 2, hold big toe. Option 3, your right hand under the left leg, hold your left wrist. I am giving you 3 options, so you can choose any one option as per your level. Khong gap lung nha, thang lung. 1, 2, nin sao. 4, 5, 6 and relax. Okay rồi. Come back. Relax. Left leg on the right upper thigh and right leg left upper thigh. Now, both hands side of your hip. Mochut arm balance little bit. Lift your knee and lift your posture up. 1, 2, nin thang. 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Relax everyone. Đan tay sau lưng, finger lock. Inhale. Exhale. Bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Now arms back. Option 1, drop elbow. Option 2, lying down with the chest. We already practiced in morning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Relax. Drop your elbow first and then come in the sitting position. Now again 2 options. Option 1, simple bend forward. Option 2, you have to lying with the chest. Option 3, you can be little lift up but do not lift your hip. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Moe. Okay, come back. We go one more, little bit, try, stay. Let's try. We go twisting. Easy. Open arm, shoulder level. Inhale. Now, maybe you need the block. If exhale, turn on the left. Then try twist. Xoay sang trái. Đầu gối xuống, mông xuống. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay rồi. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Right side. Ôi rồi ôi. Breathing. Inhale, exhale. 1. Try a little bit, tập ít thôi. 3, 4 and relax. Xong rồi. Okay, relax everyone. Keep your legs straight now. Relax. Come in the butterfly again. Palm on the knee. Inhale. Exhale. Bend forward. All the way go down. Stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and relax. Okay. Come back. Bend your both legs, knee and feet together. Put your hands behind hip. Inhale. Exhale. Come in the table pose. Come back, inhale. Exhale, squeeze. Yeah. So same sequence will follow another side. Left leg straight and right foot with your left inner thigh. Tập chuối. No. Thang chân phải, gập chân trái. Xin lỗi. I change my side so I forget. So please remember, the leg straight, right leg straight, so right leg hip little back, yeah, for hip square. Okay, we will practice in the one flow. Inhale, both hands up. Exhale, bend forward. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, and relax. Inhale, come back. Both hands behind hip. Good. Everyone lift up your spine and then try to lift your hip, and hip will be facing a bit on the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come back, inhale. Push your hip down. Both arms up. Exhale, bend forward. Inhale, both arms up. Now the right hand behind hip. And everyone roll. Drop your head and your left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, come back. And exhale, relax. Bend your right leg. And drop your right elbow, left elbow on the right knee. Yes. So you have the option, drop elbow, you can be hold big toe, or you can be hold the leg. Yeah. So you have to be maintain your knee and shoulder aligned. In the twisting, I will be explain more about it. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, come back. Right leg on left upper thigh. Both hands up. Inhale. Exhale, bend forward. Hold the left foot, flexor foot, touch your leg. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, both arms up. And exhale. Put your arms behind of your hip. Left toe facing point. Yes. And then lift your hip. Everyone push the toe down, look up. 1, 2, 3, mong lên, 4 and 5. Rồi, okay, relax, come back. Come back, come back, come back, come back. Now make a finger lock from back side. Inhale. Exhale. Bend forward. 1, breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5 and relax. Okay. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Cross your left leg with the right leg. Yeah. Then right hand near your hip. Go option một, hai, ba. So drop elbow. 1. Can namaste. 2. Call big toe or hand under the leg and hold your right wrist. Em nắm cổ tay phải nhé. Yeah. 3, 4. Nín sau. 6 and relax rồi. Okay. Relax. Now we'll come in the complete lotus pose. Come on. So now we'll go with a very gentle arm balance, lifted lotus posture, Utthit Padmasana. So hands side of your hip. Một, hai, ba, lên, come on. Try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, lên, 6 and relax. Okay. Relax. Everyone, koi swung in the, we called in the yoga, Yog Mudra Asana. Yog Mudra, khom kan tai lenya. Wrist, hold the wrist. Simple. Thang lung, belly in, hip down, and then just try. Simple. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Come back, inhale, exhale, relax. Now the next two option. Option 1. Okay, Zoe. Option 2. You have to line with the back, but down goi, knee. You have to push the knee down. Then try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and relax. Okay, Zoe. Drop elbow, come back. Now again we'll be have with 3 options. Option 1, the same, simple bend forward. Option 2, lying with the chest. Option 3, drop elbow, lift up, arm straight, lift up like the lotus cobra pose. Come on, try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and relax. Okay, come back everyone, sitting position. Chua song not finished yet. Here we come the twisting once again. So maybe you need the support with the blow. Inhale, open arms, and exhale, turn on the left side. Stay. 1, 2, 3. When you twist on the left side, left shoulder up, right shoulder down. 4, 5, 6. Okay, inhale, come back. And exhale, turn on the right side. Now, right shoulder up and left shoulder down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, come back, inhale, exhale, relax everyone. Keep your both legs straight, a little open legs and relax your legs. Bend your legs again, and everyone come in the cat pose here. Yes. Inhale, push your hip out, shoulder away from the ear, look up. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look up, navel point. Inhale, push your hip out, shoulder away from the ear, look up. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look up at the navel point. One more time. Inhale, push your hip out, shoulder away from the ear. And exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look up at the navel point. Good. And then come in the downward facing dog. Your legs, arms and spine straight. Come in the upward dog. Drop your knee down. Push your hip down. Open shoulder, look up. Once again, inhale and exhale. Come in the downward facing dog. And again, drop your knee down. Push your hip down. Open shoulder, look up. Good. Once again, downward facing dog, everyone. Your left leg in between your both arms. Good. Drop your right knee. Both arms up. Inhale and just palm together. Exhale. Relax your hands. Plank pose. Inhale. Little lean your shoulder and chaturanga. Upward dog and downward dog. Right leg in between your arms. Drop your left knee. Both arms up. Inhale. Palm together. Exhale. Relax your hands. leg back, come in the plank, little lean shoulder, and then chaturanga, bend elbow, upward dog, inhale, and downward dog, exhale. Left leg in between your both arms. This time right leg straight and will come in the high lunge. Both arms up, everyone. Exhale, relax. Plank pose, inhale. Chaturanga, exhale. Upward dog, inhale. And downward dog, exhale. Right leg in between your arms. Both arms up, inhale. Exhale, relax. Plank pose. And come in the cat pose. Okay? Now lift your left leg up, right hand up, 1, 2, 3, 4. Bend the left leg, hold your left ankle, right hand, 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax your hand. Left leg in between your both arms. Right leg just turn back and then stand up. Change your side to my side. Yes. Okay. So from here, first everyone keep your left leg straight. Remember, we will come in the gateway pose. Your knee and your arch of the foot should be aligned like that. Second thing you remember, when we go in the side bending, so do not push the hip like that. No. And do not keep the knee like that. Knee. No. Knee and hip just align this one. Mong, don't out. Hip you have to be pushing the front side. Remember. Remember. Now open arms your shoulder level. Inhale. Exhale only your upper body. Lengthen left side. Left hand down. Right arm straight over the head. Hit. Correct. 1. Mong thang. Thang mong. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Inhale, come back. Second, hands up. Inhale. Exhale, bend left side. 1. Breathing. Belly in. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Now the right hand drop on the right side. Yeah, elbow inside. And then left arm straight over the head. 1 2 3 4. Now change, left leg up. 1 2 3 4. Bend the left leg, hold ankle. 1 2 3 4. Now option is you can be hold the toe and then touch. Khong doak so khong kan. 1 2 3 4. Okay, then drop your left leg down. Chua song. Yeah, and also right leg just together, left arm straight over the head. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay Zoe, again come back and relax. So now I will take you the next level, not finish yet, but you everyone look at me first. So this time you had to bend your left leg, this one. Yeah. So I will show you the practice. Left hand under left leg, this. Hold your left ankle, tai phai namko chan chai, here. Now, then leg and then chest out. So if students are not able to do it, so they can be use the block this way. One block. Can we try? Yeah. Or another student, if they feel they are not able to give the shoulder movement, so we already practiced before, they can use the strap. Yeah. They can be used this one. Everyone look at me one time. If any student they do not have enough strength, so we can be have the one more option. You can be use the blocks, or you can be use chair. Block or chair you can be use. Actually I need more block, I don't have more. I need minimum 3, 5, I need minimum 7 or 8 blocks, but I am just showing you now. So with this way I am getting the support with my leg. This can be this practice, can be this practice, can be this practice, or you can be up, you can be take spot this, so it will become bit more easy. If you do not have more blocks, so you will be have the chair, you will be have the table, so you can be use chair and table instead of block. You can take 1 minute and try.
Mình có 1 phút để thực hiện cái tư thế này.
Yes, good. Very good. So there are so many techniques, using the block under the hand, using the block under the leg, using the strap. So as per the requirement, you can be use anything.
Có rất là nhiều cách dùng hỗ trợ, dùng dây này, dùng block và dùng chân này. Rất là nhiều.
Okay. So Chua Song, one more practice. Come. So the last practice in this sequence. So sequence will be how designing the sequence of any class. It's up to you. You can make the long sequence, you can make the short sequence, but sequence practice should be relevant. It should be connect with your practice.
Rồi bây giờ mình sẽ chuyển qua cái động tác cuối cùng trong cái chuỗi này. Và cách sắp xếp chuỗi trong bài tập thì thuộc vào bạn ha. Bạn có thể làm chuỗi dài, làm cái chuỗi ngắn, nhưng mà quan trọng là giữa các động tác á, nó phải liên quan đến nhau.
So now I will be combine little back bending. So option 1, you can be curl the toe. It is easier like this. Flatten foot, little intense. So you can be choose.
Mình sẽ chuyển qua một cái động tác là sau. Bạn có thể ký chân hoặc là duỗi chân ha.
Second,
Chân thì nó sẽ dễ hơn một xíu.
second thing about the shoulder, your shoulder should be aligned here. Note this one.
Hai vai phải cân bằng. Không có vai sát vai cao mà.
Head, no, it should be here. Try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, done. Relax.
Thả lỏng nào.
Knee feet closer. And everyone come in the child for a 1 minute.
Qua tư thế em bé.
For relaxation.
Thả lỏng lên một xíu.
Okay everyone, we continues.
Rồi mình tiếp tục nha.
So we will be start from the cat pose.
Chúng ta sẽ bắt đầu bằng tư thế cái bàn.
Everyone come in the cat pose here.
Mình hãy vào tư thế cái bàn.
So first your right leg up and your left hand up.
Chân phải.
1, 2, 3, 4. Bend your right leg, hold your right ankle.
Sau đó vòng tay ra sau nắm
1, 2, 3 and 4. Relax your left hand.
thả lỏng tay.
Right leg in between your arms.
Sau đó chân bước về đặt giữa hai tay.
Left leg just turn back and then up.
Sau đó mình xoay bàn chân trái ra sau và quỳ người cao lên.
And after you just adjust your right leg straight,
Duỗi thẳng chân phải.
knee and arch of the right foot should be aligned.
Đầu gối và hông định tuyến hợp.
Open arms your shoulder level.
Hai tay dang rộng bằng vai.
Inhale
Hít vào
Exhale, lengthen right side, right hand down, left arm straight over the head.
Sau đó thở ra nhịp nghiêng lườn nào.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, come back, inhale,
Quay trở lại và hít vào.
exhale, relax. Both hands up,
Thở ra, thả lỏng.
finger lock,
Lên cao.
inhale, exhale, bend right side.
Thở ra nhịp nghiêng lườn.
Not push the hip here. 1,
Không có đẩy hông vào
2,
qua bên trái.
3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Inhale, come back.
Thả lỏng quay trở lại.
Exhale, drop your left hand down
Thở ra hạ tay trái xuống.
and right arm straight over the head. This.
Sau đó tay phải vươn qua khỏi đầu.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg up. 1,
Nhấc chân trái lên. Nhấc
2,
chân phải lên.
3, 4, 5. Bend the right leg. Hold the right ankle.
Sau đó tay vòng ra sau nắm chân.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now you can be changed the one more modification.
Rồi, giờ mình chuyển qua cái giống như là cái cánh cung toàn phần đúng không?
1,
Xoay cái vai lại.
2,
Đầu muốn chạm về phía lòng bàn chân.
3, 4 and 5. Okay rồi. Relax everyone. Drop the leg down.
Mình thả lỏng nào.
Maintain the same position. And then
Giữ nguyên cái tư thế đó.
keep the legs together. Right arm straight.
Sau đó mình duỗi thẳng hai chân qua tư thế tập phẳng nghiêng.
1, 2,
Lại đây.
3, 4, 5. Relax.
Thả lỏng nào.
And come back in the same position.
Quay trở lại nâng người lên.
Relax. So we'll be proceed 2 more practice. Same we did last time.
Hai
So
động tác nữa.
so same thing. Drop the hand down. Use the hand. Use the block. Use the strap. You have 1 minute. Come on, try.
Để dùng thêm ví dụ hỗ trợ là anh thực hành cái tư thế này đi với cái chân bên kia.
Try, try, try. Everyone try.
Nào, ai cũng tập hết nào. Thì thử động tác này.
You can be choose any one option.
Bạn có thể lựa chọn cái tư thế biến thể nó phù hợp với cơ thể của mình.
Try, 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 try. Okay, good, 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 good. Okay, relax.
Rồi, thả lỏng nào.
Relax everyone. So now the your back bending here. So same you can be
Thả sau.
hold your left ankle, shoulder align
Tay trái mình đặt lên.
and bend back.
Gót chân trái. Bắt đầu ngả người ra sau.
1, 2, 3,
3,
4, 5 and 6. Enough. Okay, everyone. Come back. And everyone come in the sitting and come in the child. Just relaxation for a 1 minute.